Okay, week 15. We are going to start finishing up our chapters. We have respiratory. So with respiratory, a couple of different things. I know when I coded respiratory, coding respiratory failure, principal diagnosis, congestive heart failure, COPD. So make sure when you read through the chapters, read through the different scenarios on what needs to be principal diagnosis. I know as a coder, this can be a struggling point. The digestive system, we also have the genitourinary system, skin and musculoskeletal. So we'll be covering 8.14, 8.15. So with this, just a couple things. We have assignment 18, 19, and 20. Again, pay attention to what is all involved with these assignments. And we will have a discussion. Once again, if there's any questions or concerns over any of these units, make sure you contact me and make sure you listen to your lectures. And hopefully you're having spring has sprung and hopefully we're getting some good weather. So again, we'll talk to you next week.